A comment in any programming language, including HTML, is a section of code that will not show up or not be executed. In this case, it's just not going to show up, but it's still going to show up in our source code. To start an HTML comment, it's less than exclamation mark dash dash, and everything in here is a comment. And as you can see, Notepad++ grays this area out automatically. Now to close that comment, use dash dash greater than. So as an example, here is my text. I'm going to add another comment in here. And I'm going to display this page. So all that shows up is here's my text. Now if I right click and go to view page source, my comments still show up. So if you want to hide anything secret in there, this is not the place to do it. But if you want to write little notes for yourself, this is the perfect way to do it. So you can also use them as, so it's my footer, as little notes. So we can say, footer is below this. And we're just going to link this, group some of this stuff together. And in here, I want to add a link. And this is just going to go to Google for no apparent reason. Now, when I show the page, the Google link shows up. And if I wanted to comment that out so it doesn't actually work, it doesn't show up. Comments work on multiple lines, as long as you open it and close it properly. So anything inside a comment is not rendered into your browser. Your task is to write a little bit of HTML, use the paragraph element, and then comment it out. Put a comment above it, put a comment below it, and then comment the whole thing out, and get a feel of how these comments work. If you look at the page source of many other web pages, you're going to find that comments are quite common, and they're not always displayed in a nice format such as this, or opening and closing tag ending up in the same column right along here. Write a little HTML and then comment it out. Load that HTML up in your browser, and if whatever you commented out does not show up, you have successfully created a comment.